Hi there, you're here to make this and I'm going to show you how. One thing that I love to do other than sew is read, and I am currently reading The Enchanted April. For this project you will need 3 pieces of fabric all cut at 3 inches by 3 inches. This one piece, like you could do all 4 the same. I did one piece footy cut, so I have this cute little cat and it's going to be the front of my pocket and you'll see that later. And also 1 piece of quilt batting, again all cut at 3 inches by 3 inches square. First of all, I'm going to take my first piece of fabric that I'm using as my fussy cut piece of fabric and I'm going to fold it over. So I've got the other piece on the back. It's going to add just like a little bit of stabilization. I'm going to fold it over and then I'm going to press. So now my little kitty cat here is just going to be peeking through trying to catch a fly. We're going to take this over to our sewing machine and I am going to increase the stitch length to 3.0 and I'm going to do a top stitching this down. We have a 90-14 needle in here, what I generally use for my quilter's cotton. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get a piece of our fabric. We're going to put our quilter's fabric, our quilter's batting on the back. We're going to take the section we just created and put that on top. And then we're going to enclose this like that. So you have everybody wedged inside like a sandwich. Then we're going to stitch all the way around. And we're going to leave an opening somewhere, either at the side here or at the bottom here. I'm not going to leave the open at the top because there's quite a lot of bulk up here. So I'm going to close all that up. So I'll leave my opening around here somewhere. I'm going to start sewing all the way around. But remember, you need to leave an opening. You're not going to stitch all the way around. You're going to leave an opening somewhere so you can flip it through. And try not to start at an end. Always try to do it on the inside because it leaves for some cleaner finishes on the corners. So always try and close your corners up and leave your opening. You're probably going to have a load of threads going on, so cut these guys away. And then at the corner here, just cut these in, but be careful not to cut into your stitches. Then we're going to flip this right sides out. Another tip for you is to push these corners out because it looks so much better. Try not to do it with a pair of scissors. You want to be doing it with something a bit more blunt because you don't want to create a hole in what you've just done, because that would really suck. You'd have to do that all over again. That's not good. Then we're going to take our bookmark and we're going to top stitch all the way around. And now I have this really cool cat themed bookmark. And because I get all of my books from the library, guys, the library is amazing. And I get all of my books from the library, so I don't want to be bending over them corners and damaging them. So the great thing about this is that you can literally just slip it on to this corner of the book like so, and it doesn't damage anything. I hope you've enjoyed watching this tutorial on how to make this cool looking bookmark. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I usually do once a week, every single Wednesday, but just recently I've been uploading quite a lot more. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys. Bye.